The 2026 Ducati Desmo450 MX represents a monumental shift in the motocross world, marking the iconic Italian manufacturer's daring entry into the professional off-road arena. This isn't merely a badge-engineered machine, it is a ground-up engineering project infused with Borgo Panigale's racing DNA, developed on the track and born to compete. With a starting price of $11,495 plus a $795 destination charge, it positions itself as a premium offering aimed at both professional racers and dedicated amateurs seeking top-tier performance. The heart and soul of the Desmo450 MX is its namesake engine, a 449.6cc single-cylinder powerhouse featuring Ducati's legendary Desmodromic valve timing. This system, a staple of its MotoGP and World Superbike champions, uses mechanical closure instead of springs, allowing for exceptionally high revving operation and precise valve control at extreme engine speeds. The result is a benchmark 63.5 horsepower at 9,400 revolutions per minute and 39.5 pound-feet of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute, with a rev limiter that doesn't intervene until a staggering 11,900 revolutions per minute. This high revving capability is a distinct advantage out of the starting gate, allowing riders to aggressively chase the whole shot into the first turn. Furthermore, the engine delivers a remarkably broad and usable power band, with 70% of its peak torque available from just 4,200 revolutions per minute. This provides strong, manageable drive out of corners, reducing rider fatigue and making the bike less physically demanding to ride fast than a traditional 450cc motocross machine. Ducati's chassis philosophy centers on a minimalist and robust aluminum frame constructed from just 11 individual elements, roughly half the number used by most competitors. This design prioritizes a straight intake path for optimal engine breathing while achieving an ideal balance of lightness, calibrated stiffness, and reliability. A key feature is a single cast component connecting the steering head to the shock mount, a technology trickled down from Ducati's Superbike program that allows for precise control over material thickness and complex, weight-saving shapes. The overall wet weight without fuel is a claimed 231 pounds (104.8 kilograms), contributing to its agile handling. The bike's ergonomics are designed for maximum control and freedom of movement, with textured frame covers to enhance grip. The layout also facilitates easy maintenance, a critical factor for racers at the track. Suspension and braking duties are handled by esteemed Italian and Japanese partners. The bike is equipped with fully adjustable Showa suspension, including a 49mm USD fork with 310mm of travel and a shock offering 301mm of wheel travel, both featuring Kashima coating for smooth operation and durability. The braking system, developed with longtime partner Brembo, consists of a two-piston floating caliper gripping a 260mm Galford disc at the front and a single-piston caliper with a 240mm disc at the rear. It rolls on Takasago Excel rims laced to central spoked hubs, shod with Pirelli Scorpion the 1032 mid-soft tires. Perhaps the most groundbreaking aspect of the Desmo450 MX is its sophisticated electronics suite, a first in the segment. It is the world's first production motocross bike equipped with a true inertial measurement unit (IMU-based traction control system. The Ducati Traction Control (DTC) estimates actual rear wheel slip by combining crankshaft speed with inertial data, ensuring interventions are both efficient and linear. The system is intelligent enough to recognize when it should remain inactive, such as during jumps, and can be temporarily deactivated by the rider with a light pull of the clutch lever for situations demanding unrestricted power, reactivating automatically shortly afterward. Beyond DTC, the electronics package includes engine brake control (EBC) launch control, and two standard riding modes that can be fully customized via the Ducati X-Link app, allowing for fine-tuning of throttle response and all assistive systems. Ducati has established competitive maintenance intervals to ensure reliability without excessive cost. The oil and filter require service every 15 hours, while more significant work like piston replacement and valve clearance checks are scheduled for every 45 hours. A full main engine service is due at 90 hours of operation. For those seeking to replicate the factory race bike, an extensive Ducati performance catalog offers components like CNC machined triple clamps and hubs, a complete Akrapovic titanium exhaust, and Brembo racing calipers, alongside a full technical apparel collection created with Ducati Performance. Scheduled to arrive in North American dealerships starting in July 2025, the 2026 Ducati Desmo450 MX is more than just a new model, it is a declaration of intent. By leveraging its racing heritage, advanced engineering, and innovative electronics, Ducati has created a serious contender that challenges established norms and brings Italian passion and technology to the motocross starting line.